day, sir.
I am Angeline Ramirez Jano.
I am Georgine Ricla Valoria.
I am Jerry Pipito.
And
we are Group
6. So today we talk about the non-locomotor.
Highness Karyuka exercise.
What is the meaning, the benefits, the different types, and the function of Highness Karyuka exercise? So first, what is Highness Karyuka exercise? Highness Karyuka exercise is a dynamic movement drill that involves running in place while lifting the knees up and twisting the hips from the side to fourth it pattern. This exercise is commonly used as a warm-up for conditioning in various sport and fitness training program. Highness Yoga exercise is a coordination and ability exercise that helps improve footwork, balance, core strength, and cardiovascular endurance. It is also effective for warming up the muscles, increasing blood flow, and preparing the body for more intense physical activity. And now, may I request Miss Valoria to discuss the benefits and different types of the Highness Yoga exercise.
Thank you, Miss Angeline. The benefits. Number 1, improve coordination and agility. Number 2, strengthens core muscles. Number 3, enhances balance and stability. Number 4, increase cardiovascular endurance. Number 5, helps improve footwork and speed. 6, boosts flexibility in the hips and lower body. And here's the different types of Karyuka exercises. There are several variations of highness Karyuka exercise that can be performed to target different muscle groups and enhance the overall challenge. Some of the common variations include literal highness Karyuka, reverse highness Karyuka, and highness Karyuka with resistance, bands, or weights. For now, may I request Mr. Pipito to discuss functions of highness Karyuka exercise.
Thank you, Miss Valoria. The last is the function of Highness Kuryoka exercise. The main function of Highness Kuryoka exercise is to improve agility, coordination, and cardiovascular endurance by engaging multiple muscular groups.
Go.
Muscular groups is the body requires rapid and precise movement of the lower body while maintaining stability and control, which helps is increasing overall athletic performance and reducing the risk of injuries during sport and physical activities.
And that's the meaning, the benefits, the different